Hi Anusha,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, Anusha, like this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes.
Okay, before starting that, congratulations for completing your course.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Anusha, like, can you introduce yourself about your native and college?
Okay, ma'am. I'm Anusha. I'm from Kurnool district, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my BTech in Ashoka Women's Engineering College in Kurnool. After that, I came here for interior designing, IDM placement.
Okay, like how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
From my friend, she referred me.
Okay, your friend also completed the course in CMTI. How it is?
It's nice, ma'am. She came here first. After that, she told me to join here. It's
Okay,
nice.
that's nice. Like as you mentioned, you have joined for IDM course. Like in interior design management, what are the topics you have covered and how the course helped you to build up your career?
It's very useful for me, ma'am. In IDM course, they tell us about interiors. At least some visits also. I went English studio, Victoria Hospital, IBO, Sustain Interiors.
Okay, Anusha. Like how was the trainer's support towards you? How the trainer helped you in the sessions time?
Firstly, I'm introvert. After joining in CMTA, somewhat I'm trying to speak.
Okay, Anusha. Like how the CMT app helped you out? How what are the benefit of using app?
It's useful for our career to design some new things.
Like finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about your course and about CMTI?
It's better to join in CMTA for career, but in the CMTA there is lot of job opportunities.
Okay, Nusha, like thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future. Congratulations for completing your course.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Anusha.